Hey guys, welcome to my mess, which is what used to be my kitchen is now an empty shell of what it used to be. But yeah, so I've gotten a little behind. Things are a mess everywhere. So I apologize about the newsletter. I'm going to work on it for next week. It's been a little crazy, destroying my entire kitchen to get it better. And this whole wall is going to be gone soon. But anyway, with the mess, I thought I'd work on a little challenge to use up some of my good stuff, my samples, and see if I can do this for a week and try and get through this box of just random skincare samples and see if I can get by with just using what's in this box. Except for sunscreen. I'm not going to mess with my sunscreen. I use my sunscreen every day. And then I thought I'd just make a catalog video every day of what I used, what I was able to use, if I was able to make a routine out of it. Got so many samples. Eye patches. Who doesn't need an eye patch? Shampoo. All of this stuff. I love the shampoo packets for travel though. But masks. I've got masks of every shape, size, color, country, brand. And then just random moisturizer samples. So I thought I would see if I can make a routine every day for a week using this. But I'm going to make sure I use a sunscreen. So if I don't have enough sunscreen samples, I'm still going to use sunscreen because I don't mess with that. There's no way. Oh, cameraman's waving. That's creepy. What used to be there? The thermostat?
The switch.
Oh, the light switch, yeah. So, yeah. Oh, I do have a sunscreen sample. So I just thought I'd see what I can do, what I can use. A lot of these are masks, but I do have a lot of moisturizers and just serums and makeup and exfoliants and cleansers and eye creams and whatever. Face serums. So, yeah. So I just thought I'd see what I can use to get through this since everything's a mess and make some more room for more stuff. So, yeah, I've got enough samples and yeah. So, and I don't want these to go to waste because, I mean, these are...
Sign up for the newsletter, and we'll make an entire giveaway of samples.
Oh, okay, we can do that. With what I need to
with
use.
What you don't use.
I need to use it first
with what
because of my challenge. So, yeah. So anyway, I liked your guys' ideas for challenges, so I'll definitely take you guys up on some of them. But this is where I'm starting for now to get rid of this little box, which will help make room for more stuff. So, yeah. So every day I'll just make a different video. But yeah, I've got... These are actually probably starting to get old, so it's good to use them up. And then I'll make a giveaway of samples. I mean, there's no way I'm going to get to all these masks. Riedel Shot mask, and Dr. Jart mask, and Bee Propolis mask. What else? Centella mask, Peach and Lily mask. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is the stuff everybody loves, so... Oh, Ike's here. Oh, Ike's gone. Does Ike now want to be in the video?
I don't know. I don't want him stuck in...
Oh, and dust. Yeah, it's dusty. I'm going to have to vacuum today. So, that'll be exciting, fun. Anyway, so do you guys think I'm going to be able to do this and make a routine? I think I should. I mean, there's enough samples and moisturizers. I'm sure I can make a routine out of these. If not, I know I'll definitely have a different sheet mask for every single morning and evening. I know that. Different moisturizers. We've got some Rejurin samples. Lots of sheet masks, so those might become my best friend, but I'll keep you... Oh, here's a tomato mask and a lemon peeling gauze, and I don't know, a lot of stuff I've never heard of before. A lot of brands I've never heard of, so I'm going to have to go through and... Oh, Isntree Calendula mask. I'm going to have to go through these and sort these by mask or moisturizer. Oh, I love this one, the Claire's mask. Beauty of Joseon mask. A lot of masks. I got a lot of moisturizers. I've got a sunscreen. So, I don't know. We'll see from there. Another mask. Oh, vitamin C mask. We all love that. Most of these are just things. Oh, face wipe cleansers. Those will come in handy because our power goes out like every other day lately. Or actually like every day. Cameraman's brother's power's out for like a week. So, a lot of nighttime eye patches and moisturizers and sheet mask. I don't know. A lot of times, like if I was on like Yes Style or Style Korean's website and I was close to free shipping, I just added mask on. The packaging stuff is kind of gets to be weird. I don't really do that so often anymore, but Got a lot of masks and a lot of random moisturizers, so, and a lot of random brands. And I just don't like to throw them away because I know at some point I'll use them. They're great for travel. I love traveling with the, oh, this is a good one. Augustinus Batter, the cream. I'm going to use this one tonight. So, yeah, so I'll have my first video up probably tomorrow with my first day of foil samples and whatever routine I can make of it. So, but I have a lot of masks. So that's going to be fun. A lot of good samples. And hopefully one of these days our kitchen is done before I die, hopefully. Claire's eye gel. Yeah, so lots of goodies. So yeah, so leave your comments below. Or if you have any other ideas for a fun challenge, let me know. But I'm going to have fun with this because a lot of samples, a lot of empties for the empties of the month, and making room for other stuff. And vacuuming up my giant kitchen mess. And
a giveaway, whatever you don't use.
And a giveaway of all I don't use. So.
Sign up below.
Yeah. Sign up, subscribe to my newsletter. Okay. Sorry for the echo. It's empty in here and it's creepy and it's weird, but it seems so small without any of the cabinets in here. You know what I mean?
I think it seems
weird.
Bigger.
It's weird. That's all I know. It's weird. Okay. Anyway, thanks so much, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.